How much pressure I have got as Prince Harry's wife. Being the secret wife of the future king, His Royal Highness Prince Henry of Wales, popularly known as Prince Harry, wasn't an easy job because the challenges overcame should matches the level of promotion and elevation of a legendary empress. Being married to Prince Harry for 10 years now, I couldn't elaborate anymore the degree of difficulties I have had endured. But pretty sure it's spectacular and unprecedented. Since every experiences given were all new and unique, not yet documented nor published yet, not even during the ancient histories of kings and queens. What I can share to public right now are the major challenges and obstacles surpassed and overcome by the both of us as a royal couple working together to achieve one goal: to relinquish the British throne or the rulership, aka presidency. Number one problem: financial difficulties. Since 2016 March, I was already unemployed, even before I met Prince Harry on 22nd March 2016. Because prior to my involvement with him, I had already assisted few British men, migrants, stranded in Africa and in Malaysia, as well as in prison and New York immigration, which required me to help them financially, invested myself huge amounts of money in order to rescue them from dying. Back in 2016, I had a scenario that I could not employ myself nor associate myself in any company, organization, or institution to prevent myself in any conflict of interest that could derail my ongoing investigations and expose. As the problem solver myself or the manager, I have to make reasonable sacrifices for me to achieve the desired results. Number two problem: promotion of the truth versus fake news. The false story of imposter, counterfeit, royal couple, known today as Duke and Duchess of Sussex, just started way back 8 November 2016. Highly publicized by the biased media people. In doing so, a lot of people humiliated me for my opposition, and counter testimonials resulted to my friends and families to leave me alone, and the fear of their involvement that I might be arrested in going against the British royal family. Problem number three: too good to be true love story of myself. Because of my marriage with the most notorious English prince, a lot of people doubted my sanity, regarded me as crazy and delusional for claiming myself as Prince Harry's wife. To summarize, I cannot really tell how much pressure I have got from this 10 years journey of long-distance marriage with Prince Harry. But I've also learned so much, which I think will be beneficial to future world leaders or our children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. I thank God for my appointment, especially handpicked me to perform this kind of legendary task of a wonderful queen of the King Harry.